Hey guys, this is Preetham back here from Techno and today we're gonna do a quick unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy J8. So in the device we have 64 GB of internal memory, Snapdragon 450 on the board and 4 gigs of RAM. We have the J8 Infinity logo, which seems good, and the overall build quality of the box is also quite well. So the MRP of the phone is 1900 something, but this will be available in 18,500 rupees. So in the back side, some more specification are written here. Infinity display, dual rear camera, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory. So Snapdragon 450 processor, fingerprint sensor, face recognition and 3500 battery. This is made for India, only Indian SIM cards would be allowed. So let's just open the box, guys. So as you see, when you open the box, it automatically boots up. So Samsung has done some innovation here. So let's keep the handset aside and let's further check out the box contents. So here, opening the box, first thing that we get inside is the quick start guide manual. Let's keep it aside. Then we have the charger, 5 volt 2 ampere charger. So let's keep it aside too. A SIM ejector tool, which is very necessary. USB OTG cable for charging or file transfers, and the Samsung earphones, which are quite very good quality and loud. So here on the way, our phone has totally booted up. So let's pick it up and just start it. So there's a polythene film on it. So let me just remove it for you guys. So just wait a second, I'm just removing the pill. So here we go. So it's totally out. Now there's a sticker on the back. Let me remove it too. So it's totally removed now. So in the back we have the dual camera over here and the fingerprint sensor just beneath it. Samsung branding over here and the back is totally plastic. So here at the bottom we have the 3.5 mm headphone jack, microphone and a USB for charging input. And here on the right side we have the power button. And here on the left side we have the volume rockers and this independent SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot. Yes, the back is totally plastic, but it really feels good in hand. I'm skipping all the configurations so we could do it faster. So here it shows all done. So let's go for it and let's go into the UI. So here we get the same UI interface that we get in the Samsung Galaxy S8. So the UI feels very good to use and is kind of better than MI and Oppo's and all that stuff. Samsung has also introduced its very own assistant Bixby in the device, so you can use it if you like it. App drawer and the other basic functions are just like typical stock Android. So guys, that is all about the phone. One more thing that I forgot to tell you is the display is of 6 inches, 18:9 aspect ratio. Also the phone feels very premium in hand and is not also very heavy. So overall this is a good phone. The price is genuinely higher than the Chinese brands in the market, but if you are a Samsung lover or if you want quality, you can buy this. So guys, that's all for today. If you want to know anything more about this device, so let me know in the comment section below.